My name is Steffen Kreuels. I'm the responsible market and business development manager for test and measurement at HUBER+SUHNER. We're today here at the DesignCon to showcase our latest product developments. We have on the test and measurement side developed a completely new set of cables, the so-called SUCOFLEX 500 series. The 500 series is a portfolio from 26.5 all the way up to 70 gigahertz. We have different flavors, different iterations there. On one hand side, we have the standard 500E series, which is a highly flexible kind of cable. On the other side, we have our top-notch SUCOFLEX 500S series. Both are available in all of these frequency ranges from 26 to 70 gigahertz. And depending on what exact requirements you have for your test application, we can actually then help you with a perfect selection of the right cable solution. The beauty about the 500 series is that this is using the latest state-of-the-art technology. So we have been developing a completely new style of cable. The cable has a very special construction for the center conductor, so while you had to choose between a solid and a center conductor in the past, we have a so-called rotary swaged center conductor, which basically combines the unique features of both solutions. And at the same time, we have also developed completely new connectors, which are also on the latest bead technologies, which are significantly better than whatever we had in the past. I think this is the perfect selection for any kind of test application that you have, and it goes very well with our Multicoax connector solutions. And here we're actually introducing at the DesignCon our latest MXPD connector, which is a socketless solution. So while HUBER+SUHNER has always been focusing on soldered connectors, now we have for the first time also a solution where you don't need to solder any infrastructure anymore on the board. There we have a solution all the way up to 70 gigahertz. It is available in 8 or 16 channels. It is also available, which is a very new thing, as a right angle connector solution. So whenever you have a cooling turret on top of your device under test, you can actually also route out the signals in one direction. That is really brand new. It has been launched this year. The 2x8, so the 16-channel connector solution, is the one that we have just brought to the market. It's basically being kicked off at this show. And it completes our already existing Multicoax portfolio, which is the MXP, which was launched into the market about 15 years ago. That is good up to 50 gigahertz. There's still plenty of customers still using that, even though it seems quite old in the chip development world to have a product solution since 15 years, but it is still meeting most of the requirements from the customers. So it's very robust, rigid, easy to use. Then the second solution that we developed about 8 years ago is the MXPM solution that basically takes all of the advantages from MXP and just expels us to the next level. We have now 90 gigahertz maximum. We have still 8 or 16 channels. We have a simplified shell structure on the PCB, which is significantly more cost efficient and also easier to assemble. And this is kind of then the overall offering that HUBER+SUHNER has on the Multicoax connector solution side. So if you have any interest in our products, or if you need an expert to support you on selecting the right product for your application, please contact us at hubersuhner.com and we'd be absolutely glad to help you.